The secret millionaire formula. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle? What if I told you there's a formula that the rich keep hidden? A secret to their success that they don't want you to know. Welcome back. You're watching your weekly dose of finance. In today's video, we'll reveal the secret millionaire formula, exposing the strategies and mindsets that can transform your financial future. This isn't just about earning more money. It's about fundamentally changing how you think about and interact with wealth. From the way you manage your finances to the habits you cultivate daily, these secrets are the keys to unlocking a prosperous future. Stick around to uncover these powerful insights, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content. The power of mindset. The journey to wealth begins with the right mindset. The rich understand that success starts in the mind. They cultivate a positive, growth-oriented mentality that embraces challenges and sees opportunities where others see obstacles. This mindset isn't just about thinking positively. It's about developing resilience, persistence, and an unwavering belief in your ability to succeed. The wealthy practice visualization, setting clear, actionable goals and imagining their success in vivid detail. They also practice gratitude, which helps them stay focused on the positive aspects of their journey, reinforcing their commitment and drive. By adopting this mindset, you can start to see the possibilities in every situation, turning setbacks into stepping stones towards your financial goals. Leveraging multiple income streams. One key secret the wealthy know is the importance of diversifying income streams. They don't rely on a single source of income. Instead, they create multiple streams, such as investments, businesses, and side projects. This strategy not only increases their earnings, but also provides financial security and freedom. Diversification is a cornerstone of financial stability and growth. By spreading their income sources across different areas, they mitigate risks and ensure that if one stream dries up, others continue to flow. This approach allows them to capitalize on various opportunities, from stock investments and real estate to online businesses and royalties from intellectual properties. By building multiple income streams, you can create a robust financial foundation that supports long-term wealth. The importance of financial education. The rich invest heavily in financial education. They understand that knowledge is power and that understanding how money works is crucial. This includes learning about investments, tax strategies, real estate, and other financial instruments. By continually educating themselves, they stay ahead of financial trends and make informed decisions that grow their wealth. They read books, attend seminars, and consult with financial advisors to deepen their understanding. Additionally, they teach financial literacy to their children, ensuring that future generations are equipped with the knowledge to maintain and build upon their legacy. Continuous learning and adaptation are fundamental to their success, helping them navigate complex financial landscapes with confidence and precision. Networking and relationships. Wealthy individuals know the value of building strong networks and relationships. They surround themselves with like-minded, successful people who inspire and motivate them. Networking opens doors to opportunities, partnerships, and valuable insights. The rich leverage their connections to create mutually beneficial relationships that help them grow and sustain their wealth. They attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage in community activities to expand their circle. By building a robust network, they gain access to exclusive deals, insider information, and strategic alliances that propel their success. Investing wisely. Investing is a critical component of the secret millionaire formula. The rich don't just save money, they make their money work for them through smart investments. They understand the importance of risk management and diversification in their investment portfolios. By making calculated and informed investment decisions, they grow their wealth exponentially over time. They seek out opportunities in stocks, real estate, startups, and other ventures that promise substantial returns. They also stay informed about market trends and economic indicators, allowing them to make timely and strategic moves. The role of discipline and habits. Discipline and habits play a significant role in achieving and maintaining wealth. The rich are disciplined in their spending, saving, and investing habits. They create budgets, stick to them, and avoid impulsive purchases. Good financial habits, such as regular saving and investing, compound over time and contribute significantly to building wealth. They track their expenses meticulously, ensuring that their spending aligns with their financial goals. They also prioritize paying off debts and avoiding high-interest liabilities. Giving back. One of the lesser-known secrets of the rich is their commitment to giving back. Many wealthy individuals engage in philanthropy and charitable activities. They understand that contributing to the greater good not only makes a positive impact on society, but also brings personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose. Giving back is often a key part of their overall success and happiness. They donate to causes they care about, establish foundations, and support community initiatives. This philanthropic mindset also enhances their reputation and builds goodwill, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits their personal and professional lives. Creating a legacy. Building wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating a legacy that lasts beyond your lifetime. The rich understand the importance of planning for the future and ensuring their wealth is preserved and grown for generations to come. They establish trusts, create comprehensive estate plans, and invest in their children's and grandchildren's education. This forward-thinking approach ensures that their wealth is not only protected, but also continues to benefit their family and causes they care about. By thinking long-term and making strategic decisions, you too can create a lasting legacy that reflects your values and aspirations. Now that you've discovered the secret millionaire formula, it's time to apply these principles to your own life. Start by cultivating the right mindset, diversifying your income, investing in financial education, building strong networks, making wise investments, developing disciplined habits, and giving back. These strategies can set you on the path to financial freedom and success. Remember, wealth building is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and continuous learning. By implementing these secrets, you can create a prosperous future for yourself and your family. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content to empower you on your financial journey. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial freedom and living their best lives. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration and updates. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial success starts with the right knowledge and actions. Let's unlock your wealth potential together.